on YouTube or something?
Oh yeah.
Can it jump?
No one's driving it.
Look at it.
Then it comes to my house.
Woo!
Overhaul.
Overhaul.
Did okay in the
Overhaul.
Overhaul did okay in the BattleBot series.
Overhaul. It's totally going on YouTube.
So how many robots are you building for this year? Combat robots.
This is totally going on YouTube.
Yeah.
At Walsh Middle School.
Right in the middle of another Walsh Middle School bot battle.
Woo!
Here, Yay!
Yay!
You should
Oh yay! We're doing it again.
How fast can it go?
How fast can it go?
Or did he turn it off?
Now, are you going to have any local competition? Smaller robots.
It's over. For long. It looks like they're gonna put it away. But yeah.
I want to know how
Show
fast
some.
it goes. Zach, go ask them how fast it goes.
But you do it.
Yeah, very neat robot.
How fast does Overhaul go?
I just watched you guys getting thrashed.
The legs go about as fast as you saw, but the wheel pods can hit 20 miles an hour.
Wow.
So that would have been too fast for us to want to demo out here even.
Oh yeah.
What happened to the other eye?
I just watched it on YouTube.
They got
It's on the other side.
Nobody took it off. They're meanie.
Oh. Whoa.
you want to put that stuff down. Let me figure out what
It's Overhaul.
You can get
There's a car coming.
Shovels and elevators a little bit, right?
This thing could destroy a car.
Ooh, that must be heavy.
I realize that.
It is very heavy.
Yeah.
I heard like 300 pounds.
250.
These two fans.
Back a little bit or just
Wait, Zach, hold the camera. Can you see me?
Is it?
Tony.
Oh, it may be on the,
Why am I team?
that's fine.
Fantastic!